What is up, Power Stoked Nation? My name is Austin and you are watching the Power Stoked YouTube channel. So today's video, I'm going to kind of update you guys on what's been going on, why I've been gone, why I haven't had anything going on with the channel and been kind of on hiatus for the past 2 weeks. So the videos haven't been on time. I've been super busy. As you guys have seen in my videos multiple times, Garrett and Wyatt, they both graduated 2 weeks ago. Congratulations, you guys, and I cannot wait to see the change that you guys make in this world. Their mom came to visit, so we hosted her, and that was a lot of fun having her here with all the dogs and everything. It was a lot of fun, and it was about family, and so I didn't really want to record during that time. And then my laptop got broken. Garrett got me a new one, so I had to transfer files, get a new video editor, all that fun stuff. And so that took a little while. And then I got a new toy. Thanks to my amazing girlfriend, as an early birthday present, I have a new toy, and I cannot wait to show you guys what it is. Here it is, you guys, the new toy. This is mine, this is my dad's Honda 400EX. It's a 2003. Needed a little carb work, we got it running. This thing is amazing, and we're gonna go rip them around today for Father's Day. All right, now to load these into here. After a little bit of fighting, quads are in the truck. Let's get to going, guys. Let's get some riding in today. Guys, today was such a successful day of riding. It was absolutely beautiful. It was so much fun, and I loved every single second of it. Beautiful scenery, beautiful day. It was absolutely amazing. I haven't ridden a quad in like 12 years, so it was definitely a big moment for me to have my own and go rip around with my dad. That was a lot of fun. Sierra was on a utility quad following us around and showing us the routes and stuff, because that's a plot of land that her family lives on, and so it was a lot of fun. I absolutely loved every single second of it. So I definitely owe you guys an explanation. I know lately I've been very absent, haven't been posting videos regularly, they've been late. Well, like I said, there's a lot of stuff going on. My laptop broke, graduation, the truck, that kind of stuff. So, and I really appreciate you guys being so absolutely amazing and understanding. I posted that first video a couple weeks ago. You guys are saying, hey, no hard feelings, that kind of stuff. It was absolutely encouraging to see that, and that really made me feel really good. So absolutely thank you to you guys for making me feel better about that. It makes me be able to breathe a little bit knowing that if I mess up, you guys are very forgiving. So thank you again so much. I will try not to do that again, but if it does, I know that it'll be understood. So I have a lot of plans now. I have plans to build the quad, and I have plans to build the truck. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So now I'm gonna have to be picking and choosing what I wanna build and what I wanna do. Of course, the Ford is still gonna be the main thing on the channel, but now that I have another little toy, I'm gonna wanna do stuff to it. That's just who I am. I like having things customized and personalized to me. So next for the truck is definitely gonna be gauges. With all the pressures that I'm putting through it, I wanna be able to monitor everything. I know that's been highly requested. You know what? I do need to get gauges, and I wanna show you guys how to install them if you don't have them, and I wanna tackle that. It'll be a really fun project. So, and with the quad, I got a couple things that I'm gonna do with that. New handlebars, maybe just painting it, that kind of stuff. Some fun stuff for that too, so be on the lookout for that. So we went down some gravel roads. The truck is a little dirty, not too bad. The GoPro's filthy. I mean, the truck got a little dirty. As you can see, the grill's got its bugs all over it, and headlights, the new headlights got bug splatter. Wheels are dirty, so there's definitely a wash in the near future for this thing. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you had a very good Father's Day. If you're a father, I hope your kids treated you well, and I hope you guys treated your fathers well. So thank you guys so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
my life, I